everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 192 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this LA Colors DramatiLash Mascara Volume version to try out. I've tried out a few other LA Colors mascaras on my channel so far. I think that maybe the difference between all of them is mostly the applicator size or shape. I found this at the Dollar Tree, so it cost me $1. So let's see how it does. I mean, I really like that it has a pink cap to it. So it does have this hourglass shape applicator, and this is in the color black. I didn't curl my eyelashes yet because I want to see if this gives any lift. So tomorrow, August 12th, is my 25th birthday. Can't believe my birthday is actually here. I feel like I've been making plans for it forever. I have been doing a lot of celebrating. Like I celebrated last weekend by going to an indoor football game, going out with my boyfriend, and then tonight I'm celebrating with my friends, and then tomorrow on my actual birthday it'll be kind of low-key. First layer of this mascara looks pretty nice. I'm getting no clumping. My eyelashes are pretty separated and they're looking nice and dark. Wow, they are having some nice curl to them. Let's go in with another layer. So my boyfriend gave me my birthday gift early and I'm so excited about it. He got me the blue Yeti microphone. I'm gonna have to figure out how to use it, how to set it up. If you use that, let me know in the comments down below if you have any tips. But it's definitely been a challenge for me on my channel trying to figure out my audio. Like I've already tried out a shotgun microphone, which is the kind that goes on top of your camera, and I am currently using a clip-on microphone, but I haven't been completely satisfied with the audio. So I'm hoping that this microphone will finally give me the audio that I'm looking for. And I'm also trying to get into ASMR, like creating ASMR videos. So tune in for that in the future, but this microphone should be good for that as well. Okay, you know what's nice about this mascara? It's not getting on my upper eyelid. So this is what the mascara looks like compared to my eye without it. And I think it's perfectly fine. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my other eye and I'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so my mascara is applied, and good thing I applied it to this eye before giving my final thoughts, because this eye was way less successful than this eye. Because on this eye, no matter what I'm trying, my eyelashes are sticking together. But that's not a problem at all on this eye. Like each individual lash is separated and coated on this eye, but with this eye, the eyelashes just will not separate at the tips, you know what I mean? So I feel like when the eyelashes stick together, it makes them look less volumized because it's less hairs and looks less thick. So that's why I can't say that this mascara is great, because it was pretty good on this eye, but this eye I'm not happy with. I also struggle to get my lower lashes with this applicator. Like it's too big, and I think typically I'll use the front of the mascara wand to get my lower lashes, but because the front of this mascara wand is wide, it's like I can't really get the lower lashes. So I just feel like as much as I want my dollar store LA Colors mascaras to work for me as well as my high-end mascaras, they never seem to be as good as like the Urban Decay or the Benefit, the Smashbox, all of those mascaras that I absolutely love. I just can't find an LA Colors mascara that measures up. I do really like that Wet n Wild mascara that I found at the Dollar Tree. I'll link that video down below if you want to see it, because that one I feel like is really good. But LA Colors, I love this brand, but I just think that I need a better mascara from them. If you really like an LA Colors mascara, Let me know in the comments down below because I'll try and find it and test it out. So I think that my lashes look nice with this mascara on, but I'm used to having much more voluminous lashes from other mascaras that I'm used to wearing. So if I were to use this, I'd probably want to use another mascara on top of it to just add some more length and fullness, and also a different mascara for my lower lash line that's actually going to be able to get all of the lashes. So that's my review on the LA Colors DramatiLash Volume Mascara. I will see you tomorrow. On my birthday, I might look 1 year older. Thank you so much for watching today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.